Welcome all to the Chakra meditation. First of all, find a comfortable position that supports your body fully. You may sit upright, spine comfortably straight like a mountain, or lie down flat if that feels more grounding for you today. Take a deep long breath. Inhale and exhale. Allow your hands to rest gently on your lap, palm facing upwards to receive or download if you need more stability. Take a deep long breath. Close your eyes softly. Let's begin by anchoring ourselves in this space. Take a slow deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and gently audible breathe out through your mouth, letting go of the entire day again. Inhale, hold it for a moment, breathe out, releasing all the expectation. One more time, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Now bring your attention onto your physical body. Scan from top of your head to the tip of your toes. Relax your forehead. Let the tiny muscles around your eyes soften and melt. Relax your jaw, letting your tongue rest away from the roof of your mouth. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Let your chest become soft and spacious. Feel your stomach loosen and released. This light is not just a light. It is the energy. It carries peace, deep healing, wisdom and boundless love. Allow this light to begin its journey through each of your 7 energy centers, cleansing, balancing and rejuvenating. Let's move into the first chakra, the Sahasrara, the crown chakra. Visualize a brilliant white lotus gently opening up at the very crown chakra of your head, the top of your head. See the beautiful violet light surrounding your head like a soft pulsating halo. With every inhale, you feel this light deepening into intensity. Stay there. Slightly and silently repeat to yourself, I am connected to infinite peace. I trust the wisdom of the universe. I am calm. Allow this violent light to wash away every anxious thought, every fear, every anxiety, every burden you are carrying. Feel your connection to something greater. Take one slow, conscious breath. Feel peace entering into your body. The entire body is getting energized through your crown chakra. Move into Anya chakra, the third eye chakra, between your eyebrows, indigo color. Now allow the light to move gently from the center of your forehead to your Anya chakra, the chakra spinning on a clockwise direction. The indigo color, light glowing steadily. This is the center of your intuition, your clarity, your deepest inner wisdom. Lightly repeat, I see clearly. I trust my inner guidance. My mind is peaceful. I notice your thought becoming slower, like clouds drifting across quiet sky. My mind is becoming quieter. I am aware. My awareness is becoming sharper. Take a deep, long breath. Feel the calm. Fill in your mind. Expand the space between your thoughts. Take a deep, long breath. As we move into the next chakra, the crown chakra is over. As we have finished the Anya chakra, now we move into Visuddha, the throat chakra. Stay there. Blue color. Now allow the light flow gently into the throat chakra and beginning of the spine. See a radiant clear blue light like the ocean on the calm day And this is the center of communication. This is the center of communication, truth, authentic expression, silently repeat. I express myself with love. My words bring peace. I speak my truth with kindness. Imagine every unspoken emotion, every fear is being heard. All your tension in the neck is washed away. Your throat becomes light, relaxed, completely free. Take a deep, long breath. As we now move into Anahata, the heart chakra, color green. Now let the healing light descend into your heart. See the brilliant green light expanding with every breath. Move both your hands. This energy is everything. Feel conditional love, compassion, empathy, forgiveness. It gives you a lot of comfort in terms of forgiveness. Silently repeat. I give love. I receive love. My heart is open. I imagine every hurt. I put myself into everybody. Every disappointment, every emotional pain being gently dissolved by this beautiful green light. Allow gratitude to fill your heart. Smile gently. Take a deep, long breath. As you move into the next chakra, the chakra is the Manipura. The solar plexus chakra, yellow color. Imagine the yellow color. Allow the light to move into your abdomen, upper abdomen, the gut. See the bright golden yellow sun shining within you. This is your center of confidence, the courage, unabandoned courage, your personal power that is everlasting. Silently repeat, I am confident, I am strong. I choose courage over fear. I am not gripped with anxiety. Feel your inner strength awakening. Every call of your body radiates confidence. Every breath fills with your positive energy. You are doing a great job. Take a deep, long breath. Move into the Swadhisthana, the sacral plexus, the navel chakra, which is an energy, color orange. It is something which you always enjoy. Allow this light to flow lower, just below the navel. See the beautiful orange light glowing warmly. This is the center of joy. This is something which gives you creativity, and it is an healthy emotions for all of us. Silently repeat, I embrace joy. I allow happiness into my life. I flow with life beautiful changes. I feel emotional balance. Feel creativity awakening. Feel every emotion becoming calm and peaceful. Stay there and take a deep, long breath. Coming to the Muladhara, the root chakra, the end of the spine. The color is red. Finally, this is the end of the chakra. The 7 chakras which centrally controls our entire system. Allow the light to reach the base of your spine. See a powerful deep red light, strong, stable. It is strong but stable, grounded. Silently repeat, I am safe, I am grounded, I am secure. Imagine a strong root growing from your body deep into the earth. The earth supports you. The earth protects you. The earth gives you strength. Feel completely stable, completely relaxed, completely at peace. Closing down now. Notice all the 7 chakras glowing together. Now that you are cleansed, healed, and energized, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Entire cleansing has happened. You are healed, energized. Every chakra is now balanced. Every cell is relaxed. Your body is calm. Your mind is peaceful. Your heart is grateful. Take a deep, long breath. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Thank you for all. Feeling refreshed, rejuvenated. Thanks to the Almighty. Thanks to the angels. And thanks to the parents for giving this body. Thanks everybody.